Warning: please read the warnings we make in the more information section of our channel. We are not responsible for the information herein.
Plant for the house to never again see spiders, fruit flies and bugs. Spiders, bugs and other insects are a common issue in many homes. What most people use to repel these insects are harmful chemicals. However, there is a completely natural way which you can use to repel bugs, rodents, and insects. Thus, we decided to present you natural and homemade options, which are a much healthier alternative. Moreover, we decided to group the solutions according to the insects you want to eliminate. Repelling mosquitoes. These summer insects are extremely annoying and can cause a terrible rash. Hence, here is a natural insect repellent you can prepare to prevent yourself from mosquitoes. Mix 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 3-4 tablespoons of vanilla and 15 drops of lavender oil. Spray liberally on your exposed skin to keep from getting bitten. Moreover, you can also grow mint around areas where you will be spending time outside. Getting rid of spiders. In order to get rid of spiders, you should place mint near your windows. Spiders do not like the scent, and therefore, will not make web in these locations. Moreover, you can make your own spray to spray around the house. All you should do is combine 5 drops of peppermint essential oil, 5 drops of dishwashing liquid, and 1 quart of water. Mix well and put into spray bottle. Getting rid of ants. In order to keep your house free of ants, you should plant mint around your home or sprinkle salt across your door frame. They will not cross the barrier. Getting rid of mice. These pests are terrible and can be detrimental to the health. Hence, you can use peppermint oil to repel these pests. Simply, place a few drops of peppermint oil on cotton balls and place those in the areas where they will enter your house. Moreover, try to grow peppermint plants around your home.